Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about yet another Windows 11 25H2 build from the dev channel that Microsoft released yesterday. Basically, Microsoft released another one this week, so I think this is great news. Even though this is a smaller build, we have a few new features, a few new improvements, and also a few fixes that we're going to cover in this video. So today, we're talking about the build 26200.5733, as I said, for version 25H2. If you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, a change related to the File Explorer. Microsoft is announcing that for Windows insiders that are signed in with a work or school account and Entra ID, File Explorer will begin showing people icons under the activity column on File Explorer Home and on the recommended at the top of the File Explorer Home. When you hover over or click over a people's icon, it will display the live persona card for that person from Microsoft 365. I think this is pretty interesting, but of course, I don't think a lot of people that use a work or school account on their computer are also enrolled in the dev channel of the Windows Insider program. But of course, maybe this feature will come to the main release in about a few months' time or version 25H2. Related to the Settings app, Microsoft is removing the Manage or Clear Your Bing Search History entry from Settings, Privacy and Security, and then from Search History, because you can now manage your Bing search history directly through the Privacy dashboard, accessible via the Privacy Resources link under Related Settings on that settings page. So you should start to notice it here in the main page of the privacy and security section in the settings app. Talking about a few fixes in this build. First of all, one fix for the start menu. Microsoft fixed an issue which was causing the updated start menu to crash for some insiders. Also related to the taskbar and system tray, they fixed an issue where if you accidentally click down and slid your mouse on the taskbar preview thumbnail, clicking it would stop working. Related to the lock screen, Microsoft fixed an underlying crash which could result in widgets on the lock screen not displaying in the last couple builds. Also couldn't add new ones. And finally, related to input, they fixed an issue in the previous slide which was leading to multi-finger touchpad gestures not working in the previous flight. We also have a few new known issues in this build. For example, a general known issue, Microsoft is working on a fix for an underlying issue with DAO360.dll resulting in some apps crashing after the previous flight. Related to the start menu, there's a known issue for insiders that have the new start menu. You may unexpectedly see a category generated for every letter of the alphabet with black icons when opening the start menu in the All section after updating to this build. Switching to a different view and then switching back should resolve the issue. As you can see, I don't have it here, but if you encounter it, just switch to grid and then back to category and this should be temporarily fixed. And finally, related to the File Explorer, Microsoft is saying that in dark mode, the red color used for low space drive in this PC may be unexpectedly light colored in this build. Unfortunately, I don't have a low disk here to showcase that, but some of the other colors may also be incorrect, including that black is used for space remaining instead of the more visible color. As you can see, this is the case, so we can notice it. We can barely see the remaining space. But I'm sure that all these known issues will be fixed in future builds, and this was the build for today, the latest Windows 11 25H2 build. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.